Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2015 Ram 1500 crew cab. It is a Bighorn. It has the 5.7 Hemi V8. It also has the 8-speed automatic transmission. You'll notice this has chrome bumpers, chrome clad wheels, chrome handles, and there are blinkers on the mirrors. Inside, you'll notice it does have power windows, power locks, and power folding mirrors. It has automatic headlights. It has Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control, the nice big 8.4 screen, AM/FM satellite radio. There's your rotary shifter. It does have the nice center console with the nice light gray fabric. And it does have power seats and two-way lumbar. In the back, you can raise the seats and have the whole back end level. It does have the sunroof. And in the back, it's got the power sliding window. This is an awesome vehicle. Clean Carfax, one owner. Only has 16,000 miles on it. If you'd like more information on this vehicle, please call Theresa here at Firkins. This is an awesome vehicle. You don't want to miss out on it. Call me at 941-807-1165. You'll only find it here at Firkins.